Hello and welcome everyone. NFT, a non-fungible token, is a protocol developed to serve as copyright for digital content. By using the NFT protocol, the copyright of digital content can be secured using blockchain technology and does not allow manipulation. For example, someone can secure their digital artwork using the NFT protocol and then sell it on a marketplace that support NFT token trading, such as Rarible, OpenSea, and several other NFT marketplaces. Talking about NFT tokens, maybe you will be interested in this one. This is Kopapi, which is the first NFT doggy launched on the Binance Smart Chain network. Kopapi offers users innovative features such as collection, battle, landing, valuation, gamify, and the metaverse. With these features, users can become NFT token collectors, fight with other users and get free tokens, or become liquidity provider and earn rewards. Kopapi is an NFT project launched on BSC platform that actually provides users with various innovative features. In Kopapi, user can collect cute NFT tokens from various series such as fashion series, cute pet series, science series, and fantasy series. But that is not all. There are several other features of Kopapi. Puppy Battle, exclusive game which allow users with their NFT tokens to fight with other players. Later, the battle will consist of 100 puppies of different shapes and 10 different categories. Later, user will get rewards for their participation. The next one is Dojo Finance. Genesis card and sharing cardholder are entitled to access to the landing platform provided by Kopapi. Metaverse. This is Kopapi's universe consisting of 7 different regions that have different characteristics and functions. The users are expected to survive in this crazy world. And firm. User can earn passive income by becoming a liquidity provider by depositing a specific LP or farming on firms. And finally, DAO mechanism. To create a better economic system, Kopapi allows users to participate in the DAO mechanism, which allows them to deposit and wait depending on the lock period. It can be 30, 60, or 90 days. After the period is over, user can get a surprise mystery box for free. So why are you still waiting for? Hurry up and grab this golden opportunity. Have a nice day.